Hi and welcome! In this video we're focusing on flutter kick, the kick used in front crawl, and show you how to master it in 3 easy steps. The video is part of the Swimy teaching system. You can find more core exercises, common mistakes, preparatory exercises, a 10-week plan and much more on swimy.org. There's a link in the video description. The exercise itself is pretty straightforward. The goal is to swim for at least 10 yards, using a proper crawl kick and no swimming aids. One hand should be placed on top of the other, and breathing can be done either forward or to the side. Early on, breathing forward is usually easier. To master this exercise, 3 things need to come together. First, your child needs enough core tension, meaning the arms and upper body should be fully stretched out, like a board on the water. The better the core tension, the easier it is to move forward. If tension is lost, the lower body sinks, creating extra drag. This makes kicking much harder and the whole exercise unpleasant. Second, the kick itself must be correct. The movement comes from the hips and thighs, with the knees bending only slightly. The feet stay loose and flexible, moving between a fully extended and a slightly bent position. It's very important to learn how to use the water resistance effectively to gain maximum propulsion. This is also called the water feel. In theory, that's what it's about, but in practice, water feel develops naturally over time, with repetition. Though some children pick it up faster than others, our website offers a few preparatory exercises to help train this feeling if needed. The third and final component is breathing. Many children stop kicking as soon as they lift their head to breathe. But this is actually the moment when the kick matters most. Breathing always makes the exercise harder, because lifting the head puts extra weight down in the water and reduces core tension. The goal is to grab a quick breath and not only kicking, but ideally kick even harder during that moment. This takes a lot of concentration. It also helps to exhale underwater, so the head only needs to come out for a quick inhale. Of course, all 3 components affect each other. If core tension isn't strong enough, water resistance increases. The legs have to work harder, more oxygen is used, and your child needs to breathe more often, which can increase drag even more. It can become a vicious cycle. That's why we recommend working on preparatory exercises we show on our website. Sharing this video and subscribing to our channel helps us continue making this kind of content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.